Craig Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management skills and service counter selling skills in under 60 seconds every now and then. Look, rate increases, your hourly rate increase, it should be happening twice every year. Why? Because you've got to keep up with the market. If you're somebody that's still charging $80 an hour, guess what? In some markets, you are $70 an hour behind. And here's the thing, I get people say, Greg, I don't feel right about charging $100 an hour. I don't feel right about charging $150 an hour. It's not about right or wrong. It's about good business or not good business. There's a reason. Things are more expensive today, right? And so if you don't raise your rates, then you're just going to lose out. You're not running a good business if you don't conduct regular rate increases. And if you do it twice a year, do it in January and June, your customers will not even notice. And look, even if you go up $5 an hour twice a year, it's not enough on 99.9% of the repair orders to make a bit of difference when it comes to being able to sell that repair order and that estimate at the service counter. So rate increases twice each year, survey your competition, find out where they're at, and pull yourself even with them if you're a shop that values what you do and you know that you deliver a good service. Twice a year, figure out what everybody else is selling for, and then get yourself there.